Hi everyone, Gerard Shifting Lens. I have a nice, small, large template set. I want to try it out, so why not join me in trying it out? So let's go, let's do this. So I have to assemble the first template. Okay, now I have a very large arch. That's nice. Let's get my foam cutter. Oops, a bit hot. And there we go. One down, two to go. Okay. Arch number 2. And the final one. Okay, it's a very small and a very simple jig, although it produces a large gate. You can see you can cut the layers away so you have a nice depth. Anyway, this is the Roman one. We also have the Gothic one. Texture it, draw some lines for stones, and this could be your end result. So yeah, a fun little jig. I think it's fun. I see a lot of potential. So if you see it like this, it's a gate or whatever. But if I set it like this, it is a kind of bath with steps going down. It's all in my imagination. So, okay, that was it for now. Have a great day and keep on crafting. Bye bye.